Alright, what's up YouTube? We're in the shop today. We got the little Mini X here. Gonna be doing some maintenance to it. Actually not maintenance, but we're gonna be doing some work to it. We got a new hydraulic thumb we're gonna install on it. We're gonna detail it up so it looks pretty on the job sites. And what else? And we're doing a repair to it because the cylinder guard on the main boom broke last year. Bolt got broken off inside of it, so we gotta try to get that out, which should be fun. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get to it. Okay guys, first thing we have to do for this thumb install is remove this plate. I don't know what it was for. It was just for reinforcement or what. But we got to grind that off so we have a flat surface to mount on. Let's do it. Why that broke in half. Here we go, guys. Came out better than I thought. Okay guys, a couple days later, we got the thumb tacked on. I got some hydraulic hoses made up. So now we're going to, get it plumbed in and check it out. I'm a little bit disappointed that it didn't go down further to the bucket, but we'll see once we get it hooked up what the range of motion is. I feel like it might be like hydro locked on the cylinder right now because I was just moving it up and down with my hand or by hand for a bit. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. If it doesn't go down any further than that, then we might We might mod it so it goes down further. We might run it for a little bit and see if it's that big of a pain in the butt. Then we'll move it. If it seems to be okay, then we'll leave it. Here. That should let the flow through to the other side. Okay. There we go, guys. Working thumb. Okay, I just wish it went down further. Gauge up to this line here and this line. We'll hook it up and I'm going to aim for about 1500 to 1800 psi, so then the bucket is going to overpower the thumb if they make contact. So you want to do that so nothing breaks or the cylinder doesn't bend or whatever. So alright, we're going to do that next. She's pegged out over 3000 psi. One thing I wanted to show you guys was the hydro, I don't even know what you call it, the you know, all the valves here. So if you're doing this, I wanted to show you. So you're gonna follow the lines from your auxiliary lines up, follow them around, whatever. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but mine end up going to this block here. So I follow that around and it goes to one of these. So one side is for one way, the other side is the other way, for fluid in and out. I'm going to show you up here how to adjust it, just because you can't see hardly anything. Hold on, let me adjust the light here. There we go. You can hardly see anything here, just because the lines, all the lines are in the way. So I'm going to show you on this one. It's the exact same setup. You undo this little nut, and then on this side you have a hex head or an Allen socket or an Allen key head, like a hex driver. So you loosen this up, you go out with the valve here. I did about probably a turn and a half to 2 turns, and adjusted the pressure down to what I needed it. Once it's down to what you need it, make sure this guy doesn't move, and tighten this back up and you're ready to rock. Okay guys, we got a broken bolt off in the cylinder here. Let me just grab a nut and weld it on. Should come out Gotta turn the welder on. Here we go. He's out. Found a bolt in the lucky bin. It's right in, no problem. I'll mount the guard on. Perfect. Kind of go. Perfect. Alright guys, we're back home with the Mini. It's been about a week later. It's literally rained for like the past 7 days in a row. We finally got a break of the weather. Ground has dried up a little bit, so we're gonna test this bad boy out. Got a pile of logs freshly cut. Not freshly, but from a couple months ago. So yeah, we're gonna try it out, and I'll close this video out with that. Like and subscribe. More content coming. Thanks y'all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.